Okay, good afternoon, and welcome to an unboxing and review of the VR optician Oculus Rift inserts. So, first of all, it comes with instructions for the HTC Vive and Oculus Rift. Yeah, that's very explanatory, and also a copy of my prescription and shipment data. Not much of any interest there. Okay, on to the actual box. Here it is. It's quite small. No external information. After you obviously remove the shipping packaging. So, first things first. Okay, first thing we find is it has something for cleaning your eyes. Excellent, always useful. And I have plenty of these, but another one doesn't hurt at all. With the VR Lens EU logo. Put that over there. Okay, now then, it says left and right and have fun. I like that. I tend to have a lot of fun. There's not a lot of actual unboxing going on here. Here's the right hand one with a little smiley face. Happy smiley face. Just make sure you're happy. And here's the other one with the they have fun. Okay, so these essentially just clip in to the Oculus Rift. So let's get my Rift and I'll have it over here. So the cable comes with it. Let's pop these out of the way for the moment. This is the Rift, and apparently they just clip into it. Now, obviously, one of the things I would like to do, I'm going to do first, is I'm just going to remove the actual facial interface, so it's out of the way. There we go. That's quite straightforward and easy. And then I'm going to take a little time to clean the actual surfaces of the Rift lenses. One of the things that of course has happened as soon as I've started doing this is that Oculus Rift software has booted up in the background. Just give them a quick swipe to sort of remove any dust. Dust wouldn't actually check. So after all, this is the reason why I'm wearing them, is because I have to wear glasses. So there's one clean. So that is the left hand one. So let's just take the left hand lens and clip it into place. How easily will it clip in? Well, we'll find out when we try. As you can see, this is not going in easily. So it's going without a fight anyway. Seems to just pop straight back out again. These, just a quick look at these by the way. These look to be made of a reasonable quality impact plastic. Can't tell if I think they're injection molded rather than 3D printed. Certainly the lenses aren't 3D printed. That says left. Am I doing this the right way around even? That says left, but that actually looks like a better fit for the... No, I don't think that is. Yeah, it goes in and then pops straight back out again. I'm gonna just pause the video and we'll come back to this and we'll just check the actual instructions video that I give. Okay, I've worked out how to do this now. Just very quickly follow the instructions on the site, and as you can see, I've managed to clip one of them into place. And what you do basically, I had it rotated incorrectly, so yeah, basically I was doing that for the first time, obviously, and just learning as I went. And now I'm going to try clipping the second one. And the way this works is it simply just clips in just clip in top and bottom. So there we are, it's in the right position now. It should just now push down and clip into place like that, and as you can see now both of the actual lenses are clipped into place. And now to actually try them out. So what I'll do now is we'll just stop the video here and I'll continue on at a later date with more information on the actual fitting, well not so much the fitting as the actual wearing of and seeing if they're any good. Okay. Okay, dokie dokie. Right, I have tried on the Oculus Rift and I can adjust it a bit, and I can tell you with absolute certainty that the fitment of the actual prescription lenses is fantastic. The positioning is great. I can put it on my head so easily now, whereas I used to have to sort of put it onto my glasses first and ease the actual thing over the back of my head, and it now works superbly well. There is no problem whatsoever with the actual quality. Everything looks beautifully in focus. I am more than happy with the final result. So I can now, without any equivocation whatsoever, heartily recommend that these are something you should buy if you have prescription lenses and an Oculus Rift, and I believe they're now starting to do them for the HTC Vive as well. So yeah, definitely buy these things, they're great.